How to create a Facebook page on desktop. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create or make a Facebook page within the desktop browser on a PC, laptop, Chromebook, MacBook, really any sort of device where you open Facebook in a browser and it looks like this. And if this video helps you, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started with creating a Facebook page, the first thing we need to do is simply open up a browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you get logged in, go up to the top right, and in the top menu, select this little button with a bunch of dots in it labeled Menu. Once you open that up, in the right sidebar right here where it says Create, find Page. So now we are on the Create a Page section, and the first thing we need to do is give our page a name. So I'm just going to type that in. Then we need to give our Facebook page a category, and you have to select one of the ones that are predefined down here. Finally, we can enter a bio that just lets people know what our Facebook page is about, but this is optional and can be completed later. So go ahead and select Create Page. Once we get to finish setting up your page, you've created your Facebook page, and now we just need to enter some information, and this information will be public, such as contact information, location information, or hours if it's a store, something like that. You don't have to enter any of this information, so you can select Next if you don't have any of this. Then you can add a profile picture and a cover image for your Facebook page. So the profile image is this, and then the cover image is this larger one. You can also add an action button, which will be something like visit my page, shop, things like that. Once you're done with that, select next. And now if you have a WhatsApp phone number, you can connect that to your Facebook page, but I'm going to skip that. Now in step 4, we can invite people that we're friends with on our profile to join our page or like our page. And then after that, we can figure out our notifications for our Facebook page. I'm going to turn off the marketing and promotional emails, but leave the notifications just because I want to be able to know if people like my Facebook page, things like that. So select Done. You'll see that it says switched to your new Facebook page. So Facebook has made it so your Facebook page basically has its own profile. So if you're answering comments or anything on your Facebook page, they'll come from your Facebook page rather than your personal profile. So now we're on our Facebook page here. You can start adding content and changing different aspects of it by going up to edit. If you want to change the image or anything like that, add a bio, stuff like that. If you want to get back to your personal profile on Facebook, all you need to do is go up to the top right, select your image, and then select the profile. Once you're back on your Facebook profile, if you want to get to where you can edit your Facebook page, all you need to do is go up to the top right and then select the Facebook page that you want to edit. All right, so that's how you create a Facebook page on desktop. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Facebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.